Ever wish you had employees working 24/7 for no pay? In this video, I'll show you how to build one, a smart AI chatbot that answers every customer instantly, books appointments, and never takes a day off. Think of it as your best employee. It knows your business, talks to customers on your website, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and can even take bookings. And you only train it once. After that, it works all day, every day. To get yours running, you only need 3 things. 1. A list of common customer questions and answers. 2. A chatbot platform like Tidio, Intercom, or ManyChat. 3. About an hour to set it up. Start by writing down 15 to 20 questions customers ask all the time, like your hours, prices, and delivery options, and short, clear answers. This becomes your bot's brain. Sign up for a chatbot tool. Tidio is great for websites. Intercom is perfect for tracking customers, and ManyChat works best for Facebook and Instagram. In your chatbot setup, paste in your FAQ answers. If the platform allows, upload your price list, menu, or brochure. This gives the bot more detail to pull from. Tell the bot what to do. Collect names and emails, send booking links, or forward urgent issues to you. Install the bot by pasting a short code into your website or using a plugin. For WhatsApp, just click Connect in your chatbot settings. Pretend you're a customer and send your bot 10 to 15 different questions. If it gets something wrong, fix the answer. The bot will get smarter over time. Once it's working, announce it to your customers. Add Chat with Us 24/7 to your website, social media, and email signature. Then, check your bot's dashboard weekly to see how many chats it handled and what questions it missed. Setting up an AI chatbot is like hiring your best employee, but without paying them a salary. Start with your FAQ list, choose your platform, and you could have your bot running by tonight. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more small business tips, and drop the word bot in the comments if you want my free chatbot starter template.